Hey, what is going on, guys? It's Top Gaming Tech Place here. Welcome back to the channel. So in this video we are going to look at how you can make your external USB storage show on your PC after you have removed it from your PS4. By the way, if you have any storage which does not show on your PC, you can try this method as well. So first, please like the video and subscribe to the channel if you are new here. So for this to work, you have to download this app called Rufus. Okay, so if you run the app you will see this. So first just check the list USB drives box. Okay, so after you have done that, all the connected USB storage devices will show up. Now I will go to the boot selection and choose the non-bootable option. So with the partition scheme, choose the MBR option, but you can also choose GPT, but that option does not support most devices. Okay, finally you can scroll to devices and select the particular USB that you want to format, but please you have to choose the right USB if you have connected multiple drives. So with the system file, you can choose depending on what you want to use the USB for, but you can choose the exFAT if you want to use it for PKGs. Okay, so if you have done with it, just go to start and wait for it to complete. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel if you have any questions. Also feel free to comment down below if anything is bothering you concerning this video.
Right now, get away!